In this video, I'm going to share an effective home remedy to get rid of hiccups. It worked for me when all other tricks failed, learned it from a book, tried on myself and a few friends. It works great. This remedy is very easy, effective, natural and inexpensive. The active ingredient of this remedy is black cardamom. Procedure: take 1½ cup of water, put 1 cardamom in it and add sugar to taste. Boil till the water remains half. Now filter and refrigerate it for about 10 minutes before consuming. Drink it, sipping slowly. Hope this will help cure your hiccups.